Gothic Heart has like written a bad word. No, I think it's Woodstone Wizard.
No, that wasn't me. I seen him over here spelling that. I was in that box building.
So how's the Seagulls just hanging around nothing?
Box with some in it. I seen him over here building
And then there's
it.
one crow. And then that cat, my cat's literally hanging at the fence, watching.
I think, do you have moderator for other people? There was someone in survival because someone just blew this up. And now they're gone.